All right, quick video today. I'm about to install Bassani 2-into-1, and I'm going from my Reinhart Slimline Duals, dual Slimlines, whatever it is, plus the Reinhart 4.5 DBX slip-ons. I love the sound. It sounds good, but there's a couple of reasons I want to go for the Bassani. One, better performance supposedly, and two, I want to install the MRI electric center stand, which I can't do with the Reinhardts because there's a cross under pipe and it won't fit. So by getting rid of the Reinhardt with the cross under pipe and installing the MRI easily, because it's a 2-into-1 now and I have the clearance. Anyway, that's the backstory. So I figured I'd do a quick video to see the difference in sound between the Reinhardts and the Bassani. So let's fire it up. I got it on my new hydraulic stand, which is going to be fun. So let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. I think it helps if I put it in neutral. Okay, it's in neutral. Let's fire it up and see how it sounds. Using the sound meter from my iPad. That sounds awesome. I don't even know if I want to go to the Bassani, but that does sound really good. So let's see what the Bassani does. Okay, let's the Bassanis are installed. It's kind of dark in here, but it's a 2-into-1, like I said. Okay, let's crank it up, see how it sounds. Okay, don't be fooled by the 124 emblem. I didn't install the 124 kit yet. That's coming up in next month at Daytona Bike Week. Hope to see you there. But this is the 107. I have a the Wood Cam 22X XE, I forgot which one. So I have that cam in there. Sounds phenomenal. So okay, between the I mean, listen for yourself. But I don't know if the video will do the justice that I hear. But between the Reinhart Slimline Slims and the 4.5 DBXs to this, wow, this thing has some get up and go to it. It sounds like, I mean, this thing has some of a room factor. I'm really happy. I can't wait to get the 124 installed and see how it really starts to roar. But this is alive. I love it. Very happy I did this. So if you're thinking about it, listen for yourself, but I love it. I mean, you could get the dummy pipe if you don't want if you have the extended bags, you could get the dummy pipe. It's a few $100s more. I forgot how much. I just have the 2-into-1. I'm fine with that. And this sounds phenomenal. So like and subscribe. Hope you like this video. Hope it helped you. And let me know. Let me know if you put the Bassanis on and what you think. I also was thinking about going with the D&D, but it was more of a wait for the D&D, so I went with the Bassanis. I'm very happy. So I can't wait to get the 124. Like and subscribe. Ride safe. See you in the next one.